Praise the Lord, friends. This is Sherry Parrott, founder of Friendly Oils, and I'm also the founder of the Pentecostal Hairstyles for the Updo Challenge, where currently on that Facebook page, the Pentecostal Hairstyles for the Updo Challenge, we are having a submission contest, and it's not like how good is the submission, it's just participation in the submissions, because we are asking apostolic ladies everywhere to come onto the page, and we have 4 categories that you can fix your hair, and sometimes those will even overlap, so you can join both of the entries or categories. You can enter more than one category if the hairstyle that you upload onto the Pentecostal Hairstyles for the Updo Challenge Facebook page, if they fall under more than one category. For example, if I braid my hair and put it in an updo, that goes under braid do's and updos. And if it's super simple, it can go under the category of easy updos. And then we have a category of tangle-free and ways to keep your hair tangle-free, and also ways to get tangles out. I recommend it's a 10. That's what we've used for people that have gotten mats in their hair. So now this video would qualify as an entry for the category of ways to help with tangles. So tangle-free and tangle prevention. Okay, so now that I have given that idea, and then another thing I could have done is if I had somebody who had a mat, I could have shown how to get the tangle out with It's a 10. And you can buy it at Walmart, you can buy it on Amazon. It's kind of expensive, but for what you get to get a mat out. Now, I don't use it just on the daily, but I would use it for mat separating. And the best way to separate a mat is to go from, not try to push it down because you're just wadding it up into itself, but you want to pull that mat apart, comb a little, pull, comb, pull. And that's how you get a mat out. We do have had experiences with mats. So today I covered that category with talking about a mat. I'm in the entry. As soon as we get 15 videos about mats, tangles, tangle-free, tangle prevention, then we can do the drawing for $15. As soon as I get to 15, we draw for 15. And we have 4 going. And you can also upload more than one video if you have more than one style. Another way to help with mats is to sleep on a satin pillow. So there's 3 ideas, and I could have individually done a video and talked about each of those 3 things and given myself 3 entries into the tangle advice, advice for tangles category. All right, but right now I'm getting ready to leave, and I had already talked about the flex brush being a tangle advice. I guess I have a lot of advice on tangles. And it just goes through your hair so smoothly, and it really does separate all of the knots and all of the tangles. Now, I haven't washed my hair in a while, and yesterday I just left my hair down. The less you have your hands in your hair, the better it's going to be quite honest. And so now I'm getting ready to leave again. So I was going to do an easy updo, and I had something in mind and I forgot what it was. That's why I keep stalling. Right before I made the video, I had decided what I was going to do with my hair to make it easy, and I can't remember what it was going to be. but maybe I'll just use this video for the tangle-free entry. And then join me on my next video while I get my brain together. Do you ever have those moments? God knows I had one just now. All right, I'm gonna do another video as soon as I remember how I was gonna do my hair. I had an idea, and I think it was gonna be under the easy category, but this video's been long enough. So I'll go and do another video. God bless. Remember, when you upload, be sure to tag me, and somewhere in your title or your description of your upload or your live view, please say $15 entry and then the category. So this would be $15 entry, tangle free. Thank you.